Hi everybody, thanks for joining me for a quick, this is just going to be a couple of minutes long. So I have had so many of you on Facebook and a few of you on YouTube have constantly asked me about this pattern. It is Simplicity 8910. This number that you see up at the top is just the title that they put on top of the cabinets there when they, display some of those that they want to get your attention. But it's actually 8910. That's the accurate number. You guys have been calling it the blue dress pattern. And I don't know how so many different women who don't know each other, all of you have called it the blue dress pattern. So yes, I know that I said I had other things that I was ready to sew, and I am really anxious to sew those things, but I think that the blue dress pattern needs to be my tutorial. So here's what I want to know from you guys. This blue fabric, it looks very much like a chambray, but it has a little bit of a stretch to it. See that stretch that it's got right there? And this way, this one I really like. It's probably a poly blend of some type, but I'm excited to sew with it because I have had it for a long time. I need 3 yards to make the sleeveless version of this pattern. To make the one with sleeves, I think I need almost 3. Okay, so 3.5 yards. Yeah. So this fabric here or this one. I love this one. Now this is a quilting cotton. I think it'll be really, really nice for this pattern. What do you think? I'm gonna let you guys decide. How about this? You guys choose which fabric I'm gonna sew this pattern with, and either one of them are great for me, so I'm happy with any decision you make. I'm going to start recording my tutorial next week, and hopefully I'll have it edited and posted by the end of the week so you can start watching it. What I'd like for you to do, here's my challenge. If you want to be involved in a sew along for Simplicity 8910, go ahead and go buy the pattern. You've got all weekend and all week to go buy the pattern. And I'll have my sew along up and posted by then. You're free to watch it. I don't know if I'm going to have to do it in stages or not, but what I would really love to do, and this is another challenge, if 5 of you are interested, then I will go ahead and do a live stream Q&A about problem areas, that how I handled my challenges and how you could handle your challenges. You might want to know what kind of tools I'm using from the videos, what kind of machines I'm using, whatever it is you want to know. I would like to try a live stream. I think I would like doing it. So you guys let me know. If you want to work with this pattern with me, go out and buy it, and then watch the vid, and maybe you want to be involved in a Q&A live. That'd be cool. Okay, one quickie. I'm going to show you, probably risking getting my head cut off. What I'm wearing today is a pattern that I made myself. This I made from my sloper. I've talked about it before. It really turned out fabulous. It fits me great. I made it out of a fabric that I got from Hancock back before they went out of business. There are things that I would change about it today, but back then I had just started sewing my own garments again, and I really love this one. It has a folded in pleat here. I just made the bottom just big enough that I have little pleats right here underneath the darts so they match up. I really like the way that it fits me. I love my jeans. It just skims over my tummy. In the back, it stops up. So something I'm going to change about this pattern, here I go throwing it up again, Simplicity 8910. The back of this pattern, I'll put that on here too. It just drops down a little bit. If it doesn't drop low enough, I'm going to drop it so it's down to here, right where my butt starts to poke out. Because what happens is I get into tops, they do this, and they start bunching up. Before I know it, they're all bunched up. Well, I don't want something I've worked really hard on to look that way on me. So that is an alteration I already know I'm going to make on this pattern, is dropping that back seam down lower if I need to. That's it, guys. Told you to be quick. Let me know what you think. Be sure to like, share, comment, and most of all, subscribe. I am so excited to get my first sew-along going with you guys. Thanks a lot. I'm Robin with a Curvy Sewist. It's been great talking to you.